गोंय पर्यटन खात्यान मकर संक्रांती निमतान गोंयांत मिरामार दर्यावेळेर अंतरराष्ट्रीय पतंग महोत्सव आयोजीत केलो। ह्या महोत्सवाक गोंयांतले तशेंच गोंया भायले लोक मुजरत हजर राविल्ले। आरडेक्स गो खातीर पणजेच्यान निलेश परवार।
काही देशाचे लोक इथं पतंग महोत्सवासाठी गेल्या 3 वर्षापासून इथं येत आहेत। जवळपास 20-25 फ्लायर्स 10-15 कंट्रीहून आणि आमच्या देशातील जवळपास नामांकित 20-25 जे इंटरनॅशनल फ्लायर्स आहेत ते सुद्धा या कार्यक्रमामध्ये भाग घेतात। इथं झाल्यानंतर बेळगावमध्ये आमचे कार्यक्रम असतात। गेल्या 8 वर्षापासून मी बेळगावमध्ये करत आहोत। तर सगळ्या फ्लायर्सना आणि इथल्या पत्रकारांना सुद्धा मी धन्यवाद देतो की गोव्यामध्ये जो पब्लिसिटी आहे आमच्या या काईट फ्लाइंग इंटरनॅशनल काईट फेस्टिवलला ते चांगल्या पद्धतीने मिळत असतो।
It's not only organizing any type of a sports, but coming out from Karnataka, Belgaum all the way, our ex-MLA Abhay Patil, who is a keen and passionate about kites. He's been doing there for so many years now, 8 or 9 years in Belgaum. And this is the 4th year, and I'm sure the participation has grown in years. We have seen many faces, different type of kites, and when they go up, it's like a jewel when you see up from down. Basically the kites. You really the youngsters to be involved. You need to bring more and more talents in flying these kites. Friends, I will not waste much of your time, but those who have come from far away places, really it's worthwhile. You enjoy Goa hospitality. There's many things to see in Goa. There's hop on and hop off buses also, which will take you around. When you're free, you can take those buses. There are plane tours also. If you have got time, go around on the plane tours. Don't venture into the seas because it may be something risky. Although there are lifeguards who can save you all, but don't venture there. And our food and people are definitely, you can taste multiple cuisine. The Goan cuisine is so good that you'll definitely love the food. We have Chinese, we have Mexican, we have all type of things. This is an international destination.